The fourth one, yes, it has a manual book. It has a brush to brush the roller, wall plug, screw to attach the wall plug to the wall. Okay, extra box. This one is the third one, the fourth one, and this one is the, forgot to tell, this one is for the in-car vacuum. Okay, you can connect it like this. I thought I will show you how to vac into your car. Okay, the last one is the charger hub. Okay, the charger station. This one you have to mount it to the wall like this, and then you just click it your vacuum there. This one you have to connect to the wire, to the electricity. Okay, that's all inside the box, nothing more. Okay, I want to put away this box first. One thing I need to show you that these are the things also that provide the wall mount. This one is, we call it the 2-in-1 crevice tool with integrated brush. This one. To brush inside the car, to vac inside the car. Okay, so this I will show you. Okay, this are all the thing. Okay, this is the main unit. Okay, I will switch it on. It has a color green. Okay. Why I choose this Philips 4000 series is because it has a slimless design, very light. The second most important thing is the sound. Then you can hear the sound is very soft, not like the other vacuum cleaner that is very loud. See, and yet the suction is very powerful. You can adjust it into 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, enough for that one. Okay, this one I want to show you how to open this tank. Okay, the suction tank here. This one is for the upper one. Don't worry, this one, the lower one here, the dust will not go up here. It will contain inside this first tank. Yeah? Okay, I want to show you how to use it in a car. Very light, very strong, and very soundless. Okay, you put this one first. This one, you attach it like that. Switch on, plug on the brush, and then you can use it in a car. See, very easy. Okay, very easy. Yeah, I like this one. Okay, now for the in-house, you have to stick it to the stick first, extender first. Here, stick it. See, stick it first. Okay, after that, you have to mount the nozzle here, down here. Okay, like that. Okay, so this one. Okay, can you show you here, down here, down here? Okay, I want to show you the dust down here. Okay, there's a few dust down there. I just want to show you how to clean it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. See? You check all the dust. Look here, over here, okay, over here, down here, down here. Okay, you see? See? Okay, all the dust are collected and put inside here. Okay, how to open this container? Just like that. Push it. All the dust inside here. Okay. It will not go up here unless this is full, so that the dust will go. Look here, the dust will go up here. If you use the car, the dust are contained in here. Okay. Okay. The advantage for this Philips, the three main things that I want to buy this Philips 4000 series is that it's light, not more than 1 kg. Okay, you can see here, I can bring it. Okay, you can see it, bring light, very light, and easy for maintenance. Okay, and then the sound is very soundless, not too loud. Okay, okay, and then the second one is it has 2 containers. The charging time also very short, about 18 minutes. Okay, but the disadvantage for this Philips is it doesn't has a light in front there, so you cannot, if there's a dark places like under the table, you cannot see it very well. Okay, so I suggest you have to use it during a daylight. Okay, I hope this will give you review what I buy box today. So I think it will give you knowledge on which vacuum cleaner you have to buy. Okay, this one is good, this one is not good. Okay, so I hope it will give you the knowledge. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, this is how it's charging. You just put it in the dock. I not mounted it to the wall first. Just want to show you how it's charged. Okay, it has a red indicator here, blinking. So I think when it's turned to green, it's already full capacity of battery. So just simple, just mount it to the wall and just stick this vacuum to the wall mounted. Okay. After this, I will show you the mechanism how it pull out the hair. Okay guys, now you see a lot of dust inside the container. Okay, I want to take out all of this. Just press it here. As you can see here, there's a lot of dust inside here. You can throw it away. Okay, it is super easy. You just open the clip here like this. Okay, like that, and you can throw it away. Okay, I just clean it, and you can see here the roller here. You also can open it and wash it. Click here, take it out, and you can soak it inside the water to clean it and dry it inside room temperature. Don't dry it under the direct sunlight, just in room temperature. After it dry, you can put it back here. Okay, as you can see here, there is a hair. Okay, you just pull it out and put inside the rubbish. Okay, after you pull the hair out, you put it back in the water. Okay, put it back. Okay, you just put it up, put it like this. This side first, and then the other side. Just keep it like that. Okay. And then what you do is you put this container back. Okay. Okay. Done. Okay, the second one is for this main container here. How to open it? You just push this button here. Okay, for the back side, you just open it here and pull this blue one, pull it out, and you can throw the rubbish here, all the dust here. Then you put it back. This one also you can wash it with water, except this filter. Okay, after you put it back, it says here that you have to clean all filter part at least 1 time a week for optimal performance. Meaning to say that 1 week you have to wash it with water. Okay, except for this filter here. Okay, that's all for the review. Hope it will help you to buy which wireless vacuum suitable for you and affordable for you. Okay, I think this one is great. Okay, thank you very much.